Hello, Pastor Fatoyimbo. Small advice, piece of advice. If you go fit lis ten to me, hear this one. If you know say you do with this woman wey dey shout so, abeg just come out, open up, make devil shame. After all, Bible don talk am for book of Corinthians say when somebody give him life to Christ, all things are passed away, everything has become new. Yes, that means when you do this thing, you still dey inside the world, you never repent. Yes, and now you don repent, e dey understandable. Come out now, talk am, make shame catch devil. You dey hear me so? Devil wey I dey talk so not be the wife of Dakolo. The real devil now dey talk, shame go catch am. Yes, because people, you need to learn from people like Pastor Joshua Iginla. Yes, Reverend Iginla. You see when you own dey happen ba, he come out openly talk am, free himself from yamayama. Everybody shut up. Now he don buy a private jet, dey enjoy him life, dey go. Yes, shame don catch people wey suppose catch. Na so I dey tell you. Then again be say, I hope say since after that one you no dey do again, because you know say the same Bible talk say when one demon comot, when they drive one demon comot wey don repent, so then you come go back to the same sin. Say plenty demons go come follow those ones wey no get house come dey live inside your body. That is to say, if you know say your hands clean well come out talk. If it still not clean well, come out talk. Because if you go deny am, if to say you still dey do, people wey you been do recently go still come join for line, join this innocent abi man no prove her innocent, na court dey prove person innocent. Yes, but me I know say Dakolo no go just allow him wife come talk this thing if dem no dey sure, if dem no get backup, if dem no get evidence, dem no go just come and come talk this thing like this. So Pastor Fatoyimbo, yeah, you are a fine man, I believe, fine man for God. Yes, I know. Yes, we know say you dey leave your chest open, you dey shave your hair for leg, rub am beach oil. We know everything. We know how fine you dey look for stage, you dey do your thing, na your calling. You understand? Yes, we no doubt that one. Bros, we not say some women sef go dey tempt you, but bros, shey dey hear me so, abeg, if you not say you twetwe, yeah, you understand what I mean, twetwe, by mistake, yes, come out, tell the whole world. Look Bill Cosby, you know wetin happen to Bill Cosby, abi? Check one American presidential aspirant wey here, yes, you know. See as women dey take come out, they come out, say na him do us like this, bros, come out.